Hi there, this is Ranjit and I have the Xiaomi Redmi 5 with me, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing. And guys, this is the same retail unit that you guys will be getting, and this is the 3GB RAM model that comes with 32GB of internal storage. There are also other two variants. One is 2GB RAM variant that comes with just 16GB of internal storage, and pricing for that is rupees 8,000, and pricing for this one, the 3GB RAM variant, is 9,000. There is also one more variant that comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage, but its pricing is 11,000, which I frankly feel doesn't make any sense. And what do you guys think about the pricing? I feel in terms of pricing, this Redmi 5 is actually very close to the Redmi Note 5. But anyways, so we also get a bumper case in the box itself. So this is what you get, a bumper case. And this is the phone itself. This is the black color variant that we are having. Some stickers, IMI numbers and all those things. We'll just take this out. So this is how it actually looks. Actually, as you can see, this is the Redmi 4, and in terms of back, again, it's very similar in design. Obviously the camera angle has changed, but again, same metallic back that you're getting. And now, because of the 18:9 aspect ratio, the screen is a 5.7-inch screen that you're getting. Let's just apply this case and see how it looks. So this is how it actually looks in this case, and it's a TPU case. So nice that we are getting that. But apart from that, nothing much you'll get in the box, because Xiaomi doesn't bundle a lot of stuff. So just a quick start guide and warranty papers and stuff. You have this is a regular USB to micro USB cable that you're getting. And let's look at this, if it's a fast charger. I doubt it will be a fast charger. And it's a 5V 2A charger that you're getting in the box. So that's what we get in the box. This is the handset itself, and I have to say, it feels actually pretty light to hold and feels a lot more modern, at least in this black color. As you can see, the front actually looks jet black. And let me give you a physical overview first. On the top, we have the IR blaster, so you can control devices like television, etc. Secondary noise cancellation microphone, headphone jack, and here we have the volume rocker. And just beneath that, we have the power on off button. And on the bottom, two vents, but I am assuming only one would be the speaker. This is the micro USB port that will be used for charging, and this is your SIM tray. Let's look at the SIM tray that getting, and it's a hybrid solution that you're getting, guys. So 2 nano SIMs you can put, or 1 nano SIM and one micro SD card. It's not metallic, but the plastic quality of the tray is actually good. So this is what it. Let me quickly also show you the size comparison. This is the regular Redmi 4, sorry. As you can see, significantly smaller, because this has just a 5-inch screen. This is having a 5.7-inch screen, and this is the Redmi Note 5 that you are getting. This is slightly even taller. This is almost having a 6-inch screen, 5.7, and this is 5. So this is strictly sitting in the middle, I have to say. So let's just power this on for the first time. And it has a 3300 milliamp hour battery, but it is powered by the Snapdragon 450 SoC. And by the time it actually boots up and I set it up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Redmi 5 is having a 5.7-inch 720p HD plus screen and the 18:9 aspect ratio, and it is powered by the Snapdragon 450 Octa Core processor with the Adreno 506 GPU. It comes in 2, 3 or 4GB RAM variant. Moving to the camera, it has a 12 megapixel rear facing camera with LED flash, and even the front facing camera, which is a 5 megapixel, has a LED flash. It also has a fingerprint scanner and comes with 3300 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and typical MIUI, this runs on MIUI version 9, that's the latest one. And again, you get the Mi remote, and these are some of the apps that are pre-installed. So yes, slight bloatware, but not a lot of bloatware. As you can see, some Amazon specific and Mantra apps are there, and even Microsoft Office is installed. So typical MIUI layout that you're getting, and as it's a Mi phone, again, in terms of sensors, you don't have to worry. Auto brightness and all those things will be supported. Let's look at about the device. And as you can see, it's known as the Redmi 5. And This is the 3GB RAM variant that we are getting, and out of the 32GB you'll just get about 23.7GB space available to yourself. So that is regarding the storage that you get. But frankly, I feel 4GB RAM model at 11,000 doesn't make any sense. If you have that kind of a budget, the Redmi Note 5 Pro makes a lot of sense. So if you go to display, as you can see, you have the double tap to wake the screen and all of this. Brightness and auto brightness, as I told you, that sensor is also there. So definitely looks a lot more sleeker due to the 18:9 aspect ratio. But yes, it has some bezels here at the top and the bottom, slightly thick, not as elegant as a lot more expensive phones, but again, can't complain too much regarding the pricing. I'm just going to show you the fingerprint scanner also. It's here at the back, and as expected, the fingerprint scanner, as you can see, is very fast and responsive, so no problem regarding the fingerprint scanner. And looks the good thing is that this is being powered by the Snapdragon 450 SoC, so that's actually a pretty powerful processor, though it has just 3300 milliamp hour battery because of the processor that's based on the 14 nanometer process that's based on FinFET technology. This is a very power efficient processor, so the battery life should be actually good. Again, I'll test all that in my full review, but I believe the battery life should be good on this device, even though it's just having a 3300 milliamp hour battery. And Xiaomi was talking a lot regarding the camera, though on paper it's just a 12 megapixel camera, but they said that the camera is a lot improved. So this is the Redmi 4 that I have. Let's look at the camera interface and see what else is improved. So let's just allow all this. So typical Xiaomi, what do you say, interface that you're getting, that's hasn't changed. Let's just use the tap to focus now. As you can see, the focusing is fast. So here the lighting is actually good, so not a problem. Let's look at some of the settings that we have. Let's go to the option, and if you go here, we'll see the settings, and picture quality is high by default, 4:3, and you can go down to 16. So typical Xiaomi UI that you are getting. Let's go to the video option and see what are the options. That is the video option, and if we go here towards the settings, video quality by default is set to HD. That means 720p for some reason. I'll just move to full HD, and focusing mode is continuous autofocus. You also have tap to focus, and anti-banding is 50 Hz. That's for India. So that's what regarding the video. 1080p, not 4K is not supported on this one. So let me do one thing. Let me actually take some sample shots with this camera so that you can judge the performance of the camera. But before that, here is a word from the sponsor of this video, that is Cashify.in. Are you looking to buy this device or any other smartphone? Then sell your old mobile and laptops on Cashify.in to unlock the best market price. Check out Cashify.in to encash your phone in less than 60 seconds. So here are some of the sample shots that I've shot with this Redmi 5 around my office. This is in artificial lighting conditions inside my office. And here are some other sample shots that I have taken in my roof garden so that you can quickly get an idea regarding the camera performance of this Redmi 5. I'll have to definitely test the camera a lot more. And if you guys really want, I can do the camera comparison between this Redmi 4 and this new Redmi 5 to see if there is any improvement in terms of camera performance. Xiaomi claims that this one has slightly better camera, but again, if you guys really want a comparison, do let me know in the comment section. I can do that. And before we end this video, this is the Redmi Note 5 basic variant that comes. This is the 3GB RAM variant, and the pricing of these two is not very different now. Not a huge gap in terms of pricing. This is for 9, this is for 10,000. Do you frankly feel the Redmi 5 pricing is very aggressive in India or not? Would love to know your thoughts about it. So guys, that's it for now for this video. Thanks for watching. If you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.